Falling asleep while your mind is racing can seem really impossible. However, now we have this new glow to sleep technology. This is a face mask with very comfortable foam that blocks out all external light. Inside, there are 8 points of light that glow a very soft blue, just bright enough so that you can see it and kind of focus on it while your brain is calming down, but not bright enough to keep you awake. All you have to do to use it is you shine a light on it for about 30 seconds, just like you would those glow-in-the-dark stars on your ceiling, and you adjust the strap, put it on, and it glows all night long. We also have Glow to Sleep Deluxe, which instead of having to shine a light on those little points of light, all you have to do is press a button on the back and the lights turn on. You press it again and the lights turn off. Easy as that. With Glow to Sleep, you'll be able to stay asleep longer and wake up feeling refreshed.
Welcome to Dreamlight, mindful breathing practice.
I would definitely fly.
To fly would be a good thing as well.
Flying.
Probably fly.
Fly or something like that.
I guess probably like dream about flying.
Space exploration.
Teleportation.
Teleporting. Become invisible.
I would avenge myself on those who have wronged me.
Perhaps I'll go traveling.
New Zealand, Australia. Australia.
Go to Australia. Europe, Africa, India.
Hogwarts.
I'll go back. I go back to my 20s.
If I could control my dreams, I think I would like to dream about having breakfast with Sophia Loren right next to a lake.
Meet Remy, the world's first comfortable, affordable lucid dreaming mask. The key to lucid dreaming is recognizing when you're dreaming. That's where Remy comes in. Inside what looks like a normal sleep mask is a microcontroller that waits until you're at the peak of REM sleep and then flashes a series of customizable light patterns via Remy's 6 rear-facing LEDs. The lights aren't bright enough to wake you up, but will appear as visual anomalies in your dreams. Recognizing these anomalies alerts the sleeper that they're dreaming and triggers lucidity. Once lucid, you can practice controlling the world around you.
What if you could control your dreams? Fly over the Grand Canyon. Visit a beautiful island. Or perhaps go back in time to the age of dinosaurs. Now you can. Meet iBand Plus, the EEG brain sensing headband for inducing lucid dreams and improving sleep. What is a lucid dream? A lucid dream is any dream in which you become aware that you're dreaming without you actually waking up. Dreams occur almost always when you are in the rapid eye movement phase, also known as the REM phase of your sleep. In REM phase, your brain activity is different than in the other phases of your sleep cycle. iBand Plus accurately senses this dream phase by monitoring variations in your brain waves. Once iBand Plus senses this dream phase, it plays audio-visual cues. These subtle external stimuli of light patterns via the LEDs on iBand Plus and sound appear as anomalies in your dream, making you aware that you are dreaming without them waking you up. Once you are lucid in a dream, you can take control of your dream actions and consciously reshape the dream to fulfill any fantasy. Your wildest desires unrestrained by the laws of physics or society. Lucid dreams are vivid and highly immersive. Once in lucid dream, you enter a virtual world where everything you see, hear, touch, taste, and smell is as authentic as reality. Lucid dreaming has been researched scientifically. Many psychologists and researchers have recognized that lucid dreams can help with artistic creativity, problem solving, improving sports and language skills, and can even help people prone to nightmares to get their fears under control. Sleep is also very important to restore energy reserves and strengthen the immune system. Even minimal sleep loss affects mood, productivity, ability to handle stress, and even body weight. iBand Plus tracks your sleep, indicates sleep quality, and gives feedback on improvement. iBand Plus also has the most advanced smart alarm feature that wakes you up with simulated natural sunlight and sounds at the most optimum period of sleep cycle, so that you wake up fresh every time. iBand Plus headband communicates with iBand Plus app on your smartphone via Bluetooth, so you can conveniently check your sleep statistics and improvement suggestions. You can even customize your iBand Plus from this app to set LED light patterns and the brightness, as well as the audio cues. Developers can use our open platform to create amazing new experiences. With future software updates, iBand Plus could be connected to numerous smart devices in your home to simplify your daily life.
Imagine having superpowers, such as traveling in time to meet a historical character, teleporting yourself, being invisible, flying over your favorite places, meeting your idol, or exploring distant galaxies. This promise may seem strong, yet you'll immediately understand how this extraordinary thing is possible with lucid dreams. Imagine a supple and comfortable bracelet that you wear every day, which vibrates on your wrist several times a day to discreetly tell you that it's time to check if you're sleeping. Once you're in full dream mode, the bracelet will automatically detect that it's time to vibrate again. You will feel your arm vibrate inside your dream, and this will propel you instantly into a lucid dream. Most older generation devices play on light and sound, two senses that tend to interfere with your sleep. Light is a sign the brain interprets as an indication that it's time to wake up. Many alarm clocks use light as well. Sound? Well, no need to explain. Noise has always disrupted sleep. Once again, the Insta-Dreamer makes all the difference. Vibrations provide direct access to your subconscious. In addition, everyone has the idea that vibration should attract our attention through the vibrating sound of cell phones. Discreet and comfortable, the Insta-Dreamer also offers you other functions that you'll discover right away. So, what makes our device a real revolution that will enable you to have a lucid dream probably the very first evening you use it? More than 70% of our testers experienced a lucid dream during one of the first 3 nights using it. And that's not all. With InstaDreamer and its VibraSmart technology, you'll not only wake up fully refreshed because of the device's ability to analyze your sleep cycles and wake you up at the best moment, but you'll be able to wake up when you want to without ever disturbing the person next to you. You'll also be able to consult the sleep cycle data directly on your smartphone, thanks to the triple accuracy of the InstaDreamer. In fact, it can measure your body temperature, your movements, as well as your pulse. The latest studies show that a combination of these three functions provide unbeatable precision. No older, bulky, and uncomfortable devices which wake you up, disturb your partner, and which rarely offer